Welcome to the What's New in the Q3 2022 release video for SugarConnect. In this video, we'll cover the new features and enhancements included in this release. Sugar's Q2 release is full of great feature enhancements for SugarConnect. I'll be covering each of the enhancements you see listed on the screen so you know what to anticipate when you upgrade. These include an update to calendar sync without resetting synchronization, the ability to hide modules and subpanels, and a new setting to help control the syncing of private events. Let's start with how you can update your calendar sync without resetting your synchronization. With this feature, users can now pause their calendar sync profile and update their sync settings. Previously, the only way to update sync settings was to delete the user profile. Now you can simply choose to pause the sync, make any changes needed to your sync settings, and resume the sync, and those new settings will be used going forward. Next, we'll cover hiding modules and subpanels. Administrators can now choose which modules and subpanels will appear in the SugarConnect sidebar. By going to the SugarConnect portal customization section, admins now have the ability to enable or disable individual modules and subpanels to show in the SugarConnect sidebar. This functionality is great as it allows administrators to tailor the SugarConnect sidebar for their users, reducing noise so they only see what's most applicable to their daily activities. Last but not least, administrators now have the ability to define a policy for their users related to syncing private events to Sugar. Before this addition, it was up to individual users to define this setting, but now admins have the ability to create a more global policy. There are 4 choices available. Always enabled, which means that private events will always sync and users cannot change this setting. Enabled by default, which means that private events will sync, but individual users can override the setting to disable private event sync. Always disabled. This means that private events will not be synced and users cannot override the setting. And disabled by default, where private events are not synced, but individual users can override the setting to enable private event sync. So a lot more flexibility there in terms of being able to have more control over the initial global settings for syncing private events to Sugar. That covers our enhancements for SugarConnect in this release. You should now have an understanding of what's to come in SugarConnect during our Q3 2022 release. Please be sure to check out the additional resources noted on the screen for more information about this release. Thanks for watching.